Hi guys, today's video is a nail tutorial. Well, not really, but yeah, we're doing dip powder nails. I've already prepped my nails. I've applied the tips and everything, and then I'm gonna go in with the primer and apply it on my natural nail. And then I'm gonna take my nail glue and apply it where my tip meets my natural nail, right? And then I'm gonna go in with the dip powder, which is a clear acrylic powder, and I'm gonna use the straw thingy. It's not really a straw, it comes with the acrylic brush, but yeah, you're gonna need that, or you can use a normal straw. So I'm showing you guys that you can also just dip your nail in the powder just to make things easier and faster. So now I'm gonna go in with the second layer of the glue, and I'm applying it on the tip, but at the center of the tip. Am I making sense? Yeah, so I'm gonna go in just like that, and then I'm gonna go in with the third layer. Now I'm applying it on the whole tip, but not touching my natural nail. This is to give your nail a shape and also make sure that it's not thin enough to break. And then when I'm done, I'm just gonna brush it out. Well, I didn't use a brush, but you have to use a brush. Now I'm applying the glue on the entire nail and dipping it for the last time. So if you see that the nail is still thin, you can go ahead and add another layer, as you'll see me do on some nails. And then when I'm done with all that, I'm gonna take a nail hardener. You can use an activator, but I didn't have one. This is a nail hardener. You just apply it, and then so that the glue and the acrylic powder becomes hard, and then you can what's the step? What's this? File. You can file your nails and give them a shape. Yes. Yes, and then I'm gonna go in with my base coat, and this is the acrylic powder that I'll be using. I mixed a white acrylic powder and lime green acrylic powder to get that color. So I take my base coat and I apply it on my nail, and then I take the straw thingy and apply the acrylic powder, and I'll do that to all of my nails. With everything happening today, so when I'm done with the first layer, I'm just gonna take my UV lamp or LED lamp, whatever you want to call it, I don't know the difference, and just cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna go in with the second coat. You don't know whether you're coming or going, but you think that you're on your way. Life land up on the mirror, don't blow it. Whoa. And this is how the nails look after the second coat or the second layer. Now I'm gonna take the nail hardener again and apply it and file my nails, because if you don't file, your nails are gonna lose the shape and you'll just have look at me when I'm talking to you. You're looking at me, but I'm looking through you. I see the blood in your eyes. I see the love in disguise. I see the pain hidden in your pride. And you are going to do a lot of filing. You file until your hands are painful, until you can't feel your hands.
I see you not satisfied, and I don't see nobody yet. I see myself, I'm looking at the mirror on the wall.
Okay, so I did go on with the third layer. I don't know, my camera wasn't recording, but this was when I went in with the third layer. And then I take my UV lamp and cure it for another 30 seconds.
Here we are again, through my rise and fall. You be my only friend. You told me that they can't understand the man I am. So why are we talking to each other again? I don't like that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had.
Okay, so after curing for 30 seconds, I take my nail hardener and apply on all of my nails, and I cure for like 5 seconds, and I'm going to start filing again.
I'm just saying you can do better. Tell me, have you had the lele? I'm just saying you can do better. And I'll start hating only if you make me. Gihambe wase washoni langa mama. Gifuna no tanto langempela. Engbatolayo madlala ngambadlala ngotando labi.
So I'm just gonna file until I'm satisfied with how my nails are, and then I'm gonna take a nail buffer, and just buff out my nails. And then after buffing, I take a top coat and apply and cure for 30 seconds, sorry. I cure for 30 seconds and we are done. Yeah. Okay guys, so I just want to let you know that I am not a nail tech, so please don't come for me for not knowing what other things are for. Just like this cuticle oil, I don't know what cuticle oil is for. I just know that it protects your nails. I don't know, yeah, but here are my babies. I think I did a great job. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, because it was my first time doing such nails. I've never done dip powder nails, so I just used what I had. And please give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.